Kilongo indo no gatakaroneka. What ndironeka?
Hippos, they only come out at night to go and graze. During the day they sleep. They have a very sensitive skin that whenever they're burnt by the sun, their skin cracks. So they prefer staying underwater during the sunlight.
So they sleep during the day and then after night.
Yeah, and they can hold their breath inside the water up to 8 minutes.
8 minutes?
Yeah, from 5 to 8 minutes. There are so many.
Tule logo kuma turaruta.
Yes. That's nyoni? Mwana wako.
Wewe elimu kwa jogo. Kwa memaki. Ande no horo na ne athi. Sasa hii ni black rhino, right?
White bird.
All right, a white bird. Okay.
Black as a one kubwa hivi.
No. Oh, okay. Anakulaga linus rote ni white lino au Italiano?
Ama French. French na Italiano wanaongea lugha moja?
No.
Tofauti.
Italiano is tofauti.
Rinoceronte.
Rinoceronte.
Crocodilo.
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 What's in this
Hippo.
one?
Hippopotamus.
Ah, hippo. That's why I see the teeth.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Hippopotamus. Kwa kweba isakuni.
That's a team. That's a good team.
No, the Mori. The Mori. Ano mai ni kila hii? Okay.
Giraffe ni wewe. Giraffe. Wanaishi kimona huko.
This is the what is it?
Oh, hizi.
Yeah.
Eland. Ni antelope bado.
Inakuanga the biggest antelope.
Ikitoa collateration yetu.
Nice. It's a nice video.
Yeah. That's nice video. Let's see for it.
Are you recording that call?
Always do so kana twareirwo tuothe na nyama ona gacembura
Right here on your face.
Okay, yeah. There we go.
Where's the giraffe lady?